If you are new to SharePoint, it may be a bit hard to understand what exactly SharePoint is. SharePoint is not just one software, but it's a collection of a software. There are different programs combined into one large platform. So SharePoint is like Microsoft Office. You do not learn Office, but you learn individual programs such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. SharePoint comes in two flavors, server-based and online, and you access SharePoint through browser. SharePoint is not installed on your computer. Or you can access SharePoint from someone has sent you a link or shared a website. In one word, SharePoint is a website. You can make websites out of SharePoint just for you or your team, or you might create one for you or use it as a user. So you're looking at the SharePoint site right now, such as the ABC, and it's just like any other website. You have a left-hand navigation on left side, and you have some content on middle and some on the right hand side, some of the links. You can access SharePoint Libraries, just works as a folders on your network drive, and you can create or upload documents, such as you can create Word document from SharePoint, you can upload new documents, and you can do some document management functionalities, export to Excel, and some other functionalities of SharePoint. Some of the parts can be restricted to the users, while some of them can be open to everyone. Within the SharePoint, you can see who has last modified it or who has accessed the last. SharePoint can also have an update and announcements, such as the page that you're looking at. It can also have comments, so it's as a social networking site. SharePoint has also a form, and within the form you can add new data, just like some other information on the website. And SharePoint has a calendar, shared calendar that you can share with your team members. It has a spreadsheets, blogs, news, dashboard, scorecards, and visual diagram. You can also have a external link on SharePoint site that can go outside or to other pages within your organization. Once all the information is on your SharePoint, then you can search, and search is very intelligent and smart in SharePoint. You can search by content, people, and they are all secured. You can only access the information that you have access to it. You can also go to the particular document from your search results. You can access SharePoint from any device, anytime. They are all accessible from your desktop, your browser, or from on your phone. And SharePoint is always controlled and secure. More than anything, SharePoint is a platform to build solutions for you to work smarter. SharePoint has a lot of security inbuilt, so you can add some of the users as members, some of them as visitors, and there may be a site owners and site administrators. So in a nutshell, SharePoint is a website which gives a place to put your stuff and search, and this all pieces together make what we call SharePoint. So with this short introduction, we will move to the actual how to access SharePoint from office.com page or from somewhere else. See you in next lab.